Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah wa salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Respected brothers and sisters, we have started a series, Islamic Guidance on social media, how to use our social media platform. And from last video, we are talking about the positive side, good deeds on social media, do's of social media, things which we have to do. And the second very important thing as a believer, as a Muslim, that we must do is that you always preach Islam, preach our Deen. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given this responsibility because this is the only religion which is the accepted in the sight of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Inna deena indallahi Islam. Indeed, Deen Islam is the only religion which is the accepted in the sight of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So this is our duty that we talk about this. We let others know, we inform about this. Because social media is the platform which is being used, or entire media platform is being used to propagate against Islam. There are so many misconceptions about Islam, and people, they hear from others, and they always think, the other side of the picture, about Islam. But it is our responsibility that we should not, we should not be wasting our time to post, useless things. What we have to do, we have to show the ideal, correct and the right picture of Islam to the world on social media, inshallah rahman. This is our duty. क्या करना है कि देखिए जिस तरीके से सोशल मीडिया का प्लेटफॉर्म यूज किया गया है इस्लाम को बदनाम करने के लिए, हमारी जिम्मेदारी है कि हम उसकी जो सही तस्वीर है वो लोगों के सामने लेकर आए. वी हैव टू शो द मोरल वैल्यूज एंड द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ इस्लाम व्हिच अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आवर रिलीजन टीचेस अस. वी हैव टू शो व्हाट कुरान टॉक्स अबाउट. वी हैव टू शो व्हाट आर द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ राइट्स ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग इन इस्लाम इन कुरान. वी हैव टू टीच दैट right now people are talking about the rights of women, freedom, empowerment and so many things. Alhamdulillah, Islam has given these right 1400 years ago, and I believe even before that. From Sayyidina Adam alayhi salam till beloved Nabi Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Islam was always there. Teachings were always there. And alhamdulillah, especially when Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam came, he is the one who taught us every single thing. And amongst them, he is the one who taught us the values, the akhlaq, the character, the kirdar, and the importance of women in the society, their education, their being empowered. All these things we got from Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Quran in Islam, alhamdulillah, of course. And when Rasulullah came, it was so awkward to give respect to the women. It was so awkward to give them inheritance. And this is the reality even today in so many countries and so many regions I do not want to talk about. They have this ruling that women does not have any right in inheritance of the father or husband. But alhamdulillah, Islam does. Islam does. In so many places, women, they still don't have, a basic values, but alhamdulillah, Islam gives us. So this is our responsibility, that where people think they have misconception about Islam, they have questions about Islam, they want to learn about Islam, we have to teach them. We have to let others know. How you can do two things. First, you put positive and good, material about Islam. What are our teachings? This is the first way. And the second way, that you answer. There are so many people, they want to know, but they don't have any authentic source to get information from. So you make your own channel, you make your own way where you can answer people's questions. So many people, they don't know what is Makkah, when it's inside the Kaaba. Some people, they ask why you women, they wear, mask or hijab. Why do they do this? So many questions. We have to answer them. We have to let them know that whatever you are hearing on social media, that is not our teachings. Absolutely not. It's all propaganda. All propaganda. What Islam talks, it talks about rights of children, giving them education. It talks about respecting parents, giving them, honor and respect. It talks about respecting, teachers, elders. It always talks about the rights of, handicaps, special people, mental health, anxiety. There are so many things people are going through. But alhamdulillah, Islam always talks about these things. Islam always talks about the building the community, social gathering, everything, alhamdulillah. So we have to know every single thing. We have to teach others, inshallah. And we have to reply. But make sure, as I said in my other video, don't be mufti. Means if you don't know anything, don't answer immediately. You do not have to do so. If you don't know anything, and somebody has asked any question about Islam, about Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, his personal life, about Quran, any question about Islam, any thing which somebody is not understanding, if you don't have answer, don't hesitate to ask any scholar. Ask, search in any website which is authentic and sourceful. Don't hesitate to do so. Once you get the right answer, you answer them back. And always be respectful to others, no matter what kind of question they're asking. Always be respectful, inshallah. Because there's only one thing which actually helps and improve in conquering the world, and that is your akhlaq, your character. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has preached Islam without social media platform. Right now, we have social media, and we always talk about increasing followers, numbers of views, subscriber. And you know what? If we are in real trouble, nobody shows up. You may get some messages on social media. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has preached Islam. At that moment, there was no social media, no internet, but you can believe that hundreds of thousands of people Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam has taught them iman, alhamdulillah. And the inqilab, the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the life he has given to people, no one can else actually imagine that. So if we are his follower, we have to do so. How Prophet Muhammad has done, he has done with his akhlaq, with his character. We have to do same thing, inshallah. Only this thing can actually give us, help. This is the only thing can, conquer, help us conquering the world, and that is akhlaq, character. Be nice, be gentle, be kind to every single one, inshallah. Don't be rude. Don't answer back if something you don't like. People have right to ask any question in any way. We have to be careful, we have to be nice, we have to be kind, we have to be very gentle with them and answer them politely. Inshallah. You just answer and leave it to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He will inshallah rahman give them hidayah. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.